slay, slay, slay. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel.
Hey y'all, so I'm going to be showing you how to retwist. So I'm going to be showing two different ways, but first things first, you want to go ahead and wash your client's hair. Depending on how much oil, dirt, and buildup they have, that will determine how many washes you're going to do. But for her hair was pretty clean, so I only washed one time. And these are the products that I used. I used the shampoo from Sev Skin Co. And I used this detox shampoo. I don't know how to pronounce the company's name, but you can get this at your local beauty supply store. For Sev Skin, I'll leave the link down in the description box. Personally, I don't feel like washing locks with conditioner is necessary because honestly, every time that I do try, the conditioner just gets stuck inside of the locks and is really, really hard to get out. But it's just your preference. Honestly, it's no right or wrong way. It just depends on what you want to do. But for me specifically, I would just rather use a leave-in conditioner spray. Today I'm going to be introducing you to our brand new product that is going to be releasing, and it's the Locking Up Grip Gel, which can be used for braids, locks, twists, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So I like to start off row by row. Some people, they like their locks really, really neat, and some people just more so like them to just be, freestyled, like free form. So sometimes you don't really have to use a comb to make the parts so even. It just depends on the client's preference. And what you're going to do is take some of the product out, and then you're going to just apply it on the roots of the hair. I like to do the palm twisting method. I just feel like it's really, really easy to do it this way, and it's super fast. And I just get the little silver pin clips, and you can get them from your local beauty supply store. Like, it doesn't have to be any specific brand or anything, just these little silver clips. And more so towards like when you get in the middle of the style, it's going to be really, really easy to clip them in because you're not going to have to put a clip on every single lock. Like, you're going to be able to use clips that are already in your client's hair to just maneuver them around. You'll see what I'm talking about. I'll show you that when I get to that step. This is another way that I like to do the retwist. Like, before, I was just putting the product on the lock and just twisting it immediately. And sometimes for a neater look, I like to get a small little comb and comb the product in and completely make sure the roots are just stretched out. And then I like to twist it because it gives it a really, really super neat, clean look. So it just depends on, like I said, your client's preference, and that's how you'll determine how you'll do that. Like, it doesn't have to be, oh, I'm gonna comb the roots out. And sometimes people honestly don't even like their roots combed out. Like, in the lock world, I know that that's probably like a no-no, but honestly, I just feel like it looks really, really nice, like super clean. A little bit earlier in this video, I had said that you don't have to put a clip on every single lock because you're going to be able to use some of the pins from the other locks. And this is what I mean by that. Like, you could just take it out and put them all together in one, because doing it one by one, you're probably going to run out of clips and it's just going to be too many clips. Like, and when your client has to sit under the dryer, their scalp is going to get burnt if you put the clips too close to their roots and to their scalp. Once your client comes from under the dryer, you're going to just take the clips out, and that's pretty much the completion of the style. You can add oil to their scalp. You can spray some oil sheen in there. I like to spray oil sheen in there. It's just really, really good. And I also like to spray some leave-in conditioner as well, like some leave-in conditioner spray. And that pretty much sums up how I like to do this method. But our new gel is really, really great for braids, twists, and locks. It doesn't leave any flakes behind. It leaves your locks really, really soft and clean looking. And I just really can't wait for you guys to experience this product.